Okay, then I'm going to do a single color ice dye in a coffee can. Very simple. Just try to grab the center. Just give it a twist around like that. So you have like a cone. Just hold that cone with your fingers and just keep spinning it around. You start to get pleats on the edge. Just keep forming those. Just try to make a circle. As simple as that. Get a couple of rubber bands on it just to hold it in. Something like that. Put it in the coffee can. I've got my pellet ice. These little balls. Filled it about twice the height of the hat. And I'm using Alchemist from Dharma Trading. That's all there is to it. I'm not going to sprinkle any more soda ash on it because the hat was already soaked in soda ash, and I tend to mix my soda ash solution fairly strong. I'll show you what the results look like after this ice melts, and it batches for about 24 to 36, 48 hours. This one I'm going to use brushed steel on. Just twist it up the same way. And there's another. I put a piece of masking tape on the side so I can write what it is. I'll go on to the third one. Another one down. Safari gray. Okay, I've got one left to do. Aster. Aster, Alchemist, brush steel, hot chocolate, safari gray. I'm just going to let them sit there until the ice melts, and then I'll put covers on them. And I will let them batch for probably 48 hours. I'll show you the results on all 5 of them at the end of this video. And wash them in the same container, conserves on water. I'm going to rinse this out in real time so you can see how quick and easy it really is. And you'll see the results at the end. This one was Aster. This is cold water, rinsing it in cold water. This is a good way to conserve on water also. I'm in the middle of an extreme drought here in Vermont, and I have natural spring water. Now I turn it on hot. Put the same container it was in. Just a drop or a couple drops. And you can put the lid back on and shake it to wash it. You may have to vent it because it will expand as you shake it. I'm going to let it sit here like that for about 5 minutes, and I'll rinse it out and have to wash it maybe one more time. Okay, been about 5 minutes. Do it one more time. Rinsing it in cold. Ooh, I like the color on this. This was Aster. This is going to look nice when it dries. Switch to hot water. Wait for it to get hot. So I'll do this one more time. It's only half full. I'll probably let it sit there for about 15 minutes.